Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the IBVIVIC folding ironing board designed to save space in any home. This compact board folds completely in half, shrinking to just 40 by 30.5 centimeters and weighing only 1.8 kilograms. It features a smart hook design on the bottom, making it easy to hang on walls or cabinets. The board's cover includes 2 layers, soft cotton on top and 8 mm of foam padding underneath. Non-slip rubber feet and sturdy metal legs provide stability and protect your surfaces. Perfect for ironing shirts, pants, and collars, it fits easily in apartments, laundry rooms, and bedrooms. Experience practical, space-saving ironing with this sleek and portable solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.